Here's this little washing machine. Turn it off. It's got a fan brake that goes around the motor. It's not doing it now. But I was making cool colors earlier. And you take it off.